Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're on a strip and wax here today at a local hair salon. As you can see, I used to describe to the customer, I'm not sure that's going to come up. She said, let us know the best we can do. She's not sure when these floors been stripped. In my experience, it has been a couple of years. I would say at least 5 to 7 years. As you can see, I haven't done this area yet. I already put the stripper down. That's what I'm working on. That's what you can see on the floor. It's all wet. All right. So we're gonna bring back the shine to these floors, get rid of all this dirt and the stains here. So stay tuned. All right. As you can see, I am currently stripping the floor. We put the stripper down, allow it to set. And we are just going over the floor, taking up all the old finish. We're gonna suck that up and get that out of here. It's really slippery. It's a really dangerous job here. All right, so now you can see we have the wax here. We just applied the first coat on here. We're gonna be doing 5 coats. That way this lasts 5 to 7 years with routine maintenance. We haven't done this side yet at all. No wax, it's just been neutralized. We're just gonna wait for this to dry and then apply all the coats and then be done. Stay tuned. Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're all finished here with the strip and wax. Let's take a walk on it. As you can see, these floors are really shining, looking really great. They look phenomenal compared to the beginning. We used a rust remover on that. That's like that's embedded into the tile, so that's not coming up. Same thing over here. All right. And there was like there was like a desk here, and that just got caked into the floor. So we weren't able to get that up with the stripper. But everything else turned out great. And like I said, this wax and the protectant that we use, it's gonna last for 5 to 7 years. Okay, so we really make sure that these floors last with routine maintenance, that they last so you don't have to come back, have to get them done again. All right, stay tuned for the next cleaning.